How to put a link on your TikTok bio. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put a link on your TikTok. So first thing, make sure to update your TikTok. Now go to your TikTok application on your phone. But first go to your profile and make sure your TikTok is a professional or business account. So all you need to do is click on those three bonds up there or three lines. Now click on setting and privacy. So my account is a business account, but I'm gonna show you how to switch from a normal account to business account. All you need to do is click on setting and privacy, click on manage account, click on switch to personal account. Switch anyway. Now I'm gonna switch to a business account. All I need to do is click again. Next, and choose what category you want. I'm gonna choose art. Next, and I'm gonna click on edit profile. Now click on bio, and here you're gonna tap your link, your Instagram link, YouTube link, anything you want, and click on save, and the link will show up on your profile TikTok. So this is it guys, it's so easy. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.